stillness of creation's dawn, before the earth knew its form, a voice spoke over the deep waters. I am Yahuah, the Eternal, your Aluah, who brought you forth from nothingness. His breath stirred life into clay. His hands shaped the mountains and filled the seas. His name echoed across the heavens, carried on the wings of messengers, sung by the stars in their courses. Through the ages, mankind wandered, but Yahuah's name remained, a whisper in the wind, a fire in the heart of his people. I am Yahuah. That is my name. I will not give my glory to another, nor my praise to graven images. Yet many forgot him, lost in the shadow of their own desires, but even in their forgetting, he was there, watching, waiting, calling. One day he descended to a mountain, fire and thunder in his presence, and spoke once more to his chosen. I am Yahuah, your Aluah, who brought you out of the land of Mitzrayim, out of the house of bondage. You shall have no other gods before me. His name a covenant, a promise that he would never forsake them. Generations passed, kingdoms rose and fell, but Yahuah's name remained. It was a name that brought peace to the weary, strength to the broken, and hope to the lost. The name of Yahuah is a strong tower. The righteous run to it and are safe. And so the story continues. In every heart that calls on his name, in every voice that whispers it in faith, Yahuah's presence lives. Remember my name, he says, for I am Yahuah, and I will be with you always, even to the end of the age. Thus the people remember, and his name is forever written in their hearts.